Good morning, students. I am your maths teacher, Nirali ma'am, and I hope you all must be fine, doing well, listening to your parents, staying home, and also you all must be healthy. And with that, you must be studying regularly, right, students? All right. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, lesson number 6. Be my multiple, I will be a factor. When two or more numbers are multiplied together to get a product, then the numbers which are being multiplied are called factors of the product. The product is called a multiple of each of the numbers multiplied. Consider 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. If we multiply all these numbers, we get 30. So 2, 3, 5 are factors of 30 and 30 is a multiple of 2, 3 and 5. When you will multiply 2 with 15, you will get 30. 3 with 10, then you will get 30, and 5 with 6, then also you will get 30. So 30 is a multiple of 2, 3 and 5. When two or more numbers have same factor, that factor is called a common factor of those numbers. The multiples that are same for two or more numbers are common multiples. I will show you examples. We will learn some examples also. Now let's see the properties of factors and multiples. For factors, every number is a factor of itself. 1 is a factor of every number. It is the smallest factor of every number. The greatest factor of the number is the number itself. None of the factors is greater than the number. Every number is a factor of 0. And for multiple, every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is the smallest multiple of itself. A multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number. Multiples of any number are infinite. Alright. Okay, students. Now let's see examples.
Factors and multiples. See, multiples are the multiplication and factors are the division. I will tell you the concept behind it. Multiple is derived from multiplication. Means, suppose I want to take the multiple of 8. Now 8's multiple will be first 8 and then 2 times of 8, that is 16, 3 times of 8, that is 24, 4 times of 8, that is 32. How did it come? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Right? So 8 2 is 16, then all 8 3 is 24, then all 8 4 is 32, then all 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, like this. So what is this? Multiple is continuing till infinity. It will not stop anywhere. So multiply is what? The number of times this number is going to take place, or in other way we can say the table of 8 is multiple of the 8. Now factor. Factor, what is factor? Factor is divide. Divide, or you can say division of a number. Suppose we take here 8 only. So what is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 is the number. Now divide this equal to 2 parts. So it is going to be this. Here it is 4, 4. So one factor is 4. Now again divide the remaining part into equal 2 parts like this. Now what is this? 2, 2. So next factor is equal to 2. Now remaining part is here 2. Again divide equal part. So it is 1, 1. So next factor is 1. So 1, 2, 4. In other words, we can write here 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. In this line, this multiplication sign tells that this 1 is multiplied by 2, 2 is multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So 8 is multiple and 4 is factor. Here I am writing F for factor. 2 is factor and 1 is factor. So 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So multiplied word is there, so you will say it is multiple as well as it is factor also. So you can write it as F also. 8 अपना factor भी कहलाता है. So like you say, you take the table 8 ones are 8, right? In this equation what do you say? 1 is multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. So it is M multiple, it is F, it is F. So 8 is a factor as well as 8 is a multiple. So this way you can say the smallest factor is here is equal to 1 and highest factor is what? Is that particular number, right? So now I summarize this. The factors of 8 is equal to, we take from descending order 8, 4, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 4, 8.
Yes, students, now find the factors of 30. Pairs of numbers which give the product 30. If you multiply 1 with 30, so you will get 30. 1 30s are 30. 2 into 15 is equal to 30. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now we shall remember these important points about factors. Factor is a number which exactly divides the given number. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. The factors of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Now let's find the factor of 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 6 are 12 and 3 4s are 12. When you divide 12 with 1, you will get quotient as 12 and remainder as 0. And when you divide 12 with 12, you will get quotient as 1 and remainder as 0. So whenever you are getting 0 as a remainder, that means that is a factor of that number. So 12 is exactly divisible by 1 and 12. Now 2 6 are 12. I have shown you division. 2 6 are 12. That is 12 you divide with 2. Then you will get 6 as a quotient. And when you divide 12 with 6, 12 by 6, then you will get 2 as a quotient. And obviously the remainder is 0. So 12 is divisible by 2 and 6 also. Now for pair 3, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Previously I told you. So 12 is divisible by 3 and 4 also. You can see in the picture that 12 when divided with 3 you will get 4 as a quotient, and 12 when you divide with 4 you will get 3 as a quotient, and the remainder is 0. That means 12 is exactly divisible by 3 and 4. Now factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factor is a number which exactly divides the given number, or factors are numbers you can multiply to get the given number. Now what is a multiple of a number? Example 3 4s are 12. You all know this. So factors of 12 are 3 and 4. And 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4 both. Alright. So a multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. You will multiply 4 with 5, then you will get 15 as a multiple. See, I have given here example. 5 into any number is equal to its multiple. 5 when multiplied with 0, you will get 0. 5 when multiplied with 1, you will get 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 12s are 60, 5 24s are 120, 5 38s are 190. 5 into 46 is equal to 230, 5 into 59 is equal to 295, and 5 into 100 is equal to 500. We get a series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other numbers. Alright students, same way, if you want to write down the multiple of 12, then you have You can write 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 zeros are 24. So that is a table of 12 and so on. Alright students, now I have explained you about factors and multiples. I hope you understood this factors and multiple through this video. And if you are having any problem, you can let me know when there will be a Zoom meeting. Alright students, take care. Bye bye.